Hello, and welcome to the box room. I have been to the basement. David Bradley here. I have been to the basement, and I still haven't tidied up all that I found in the basement yet. But I will. I will indeed. Anyway, I did find a few more things. Not tons of things, but a few more things. I haven't looked in things yet. Here is a box. It says Chessmaster 2100. I don't even know what this is for. The finest chess program in the world. It's funny, I don't see that it says. Oh. 2D 64 128. Anyway, oh, 3D. Amiga ST. Alright, well, let's see what's inside. I believe it would be a disc. And I'm assuming. Oh, yeah, that's for the 64, the 128, which of course means the 128 in 64 mode. And it has its book and other things. Now, does it work? I don't know. I just don't know. Did I put this back the right way? No. I put it the upside down way that it was. I suppose, if there's room. Yes, I'll put that down there and see what's what. Here, Printmaster Plus, which made making all kinds of things with all kinds of fonts really easy. And is it here? Well, here is something called Art Gallery 2. And here is the Printmaster Plus user's guide in the box. And in here we have Printmaster Plus. Boy, that is a rough looking sleeve. And then we have Art Gallery 1 and 2. Now, once again, do these work? I don't know. Oh, and the user guide. I don't know. Well, I guess at some point I'll get a 64 set up. I'll try to stick that underneath. What else do we have here? Aha! A manual for Paperclip 3. I'm assuming this is for the 64 and the 128, and I'd like to think. Yeah. It mentions the 128. And here is Compute's 128 Programmer's Guide. So another company doing good things to help us all do things. Now, what else? We're almost done. Oh, look, it's kind of bent, but it's the C128D. Is it the user guide? No, our introductory guide. Welcome. Oh, here are special loading instructions and special notes for Printmaster Plus. Hello, Printmaster Plus. I better put that in there. I don't know how that would have got out. Is there something else here? No. Pocket Filer 64 128. A manual, as well as a wayward disk. What is this wayward disk? Backup instructions. For what? I don't know. And finally, from this box, we will find a box. It is sent by UPS second day air. COD. And what is in that box? Well, It is the promenade. Warning, dangerous voltages inside. This is an EEPROM burner. And also in the box are, well, here is a cartridge. It says Commodore. It has an EEPROM on it. What is it? I don't know. And here, I believe this is a test cartridge, as in to test, like a diagnostic cartridge. And also in here are a bunch of EEPROMs and instructions and things and stuff. I will need to. Now I did find, that's not going in right. I did find a couple of tape versions of the programs for this. I think they're in the tape box. Oh, what's this? Oh, look at that. Commodore C1 Vic-20. Maybe it's a good time to put some of these treasures back together. Now, does the tape work? I don't know. Is there anything else? No. Well, this was a quick one. I still have lots of tidying to do.
That was easy.
And I will do it, but not right now. Soon, very soon. Anyway, thanks for coming. We will see you again soon. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now. If I could just figure out how to reach this thing.